Yeah, probably not.
You video again?
Yeah.
Part 2.
This is part 2 of eating random shiz from my sister's kitchen.
I'll film it.
Alright, do you want me to go fast?
Dark soy sauce. Fuck that, I can't drink that. I'm not drinking that.
You got it?
Nah,
You got
that.
Oh, I know you had salt. So
No,
yeah.
I had a mouthful of salt and it was actually shit, I didn't eat it. You don't have to eat it. Like, split out if you want.
I spoiled it already.
Right, I have one of them crystallised gingers.
Guys, we can do this.
Wait, there's still like blue in the floor.
That's this video. Keep video.
That's why, do you keep putting the camera down?
Yes, yes.
Oh, you gotta get all that shit off the floor though.
Like a little fleeter.
Oh, what?
It's gonna taste it.
I have one of them crystallised gingers.
Oh, do you get the nice one?
It might not be nice.
It's a sweet.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Go on then, eat it.
They have sweets, aren't they?
Why? Wait, you gotta eat it. Wait, yeah, there you go. Come. You gotta do it. Pass the camera. I'll put you do it. This is crystallised ginger. Go.
What?
Oh! Oh, man. Oh!
Chew it.
Yeah.
Chew it.
Fall somewhere. Fall that somewhere. Oh, yeah, good. Oh, good for man. Yeah. Oh. Oh, the bed,
In the left corner, left corner. Left corner there. Why did you eat one? Why did you eat one?
I thought it was going to taste nice.
It's crystallised ginger.
Oh,
No,
oh,
fuck that.
shit.
No. Fuck that.
How much man did you bite into it?
Okay, I reckon the next thing we should do is open a bonbon thing and then put
I really should
coffee.
have a spoonful of butter.
Okay, hold this.
What are we doing now?
Yeah, this is Ryan Browning videoing the camera.
What are we doing now?
Awesome director.
Coffee beans with...
Put it in.
Right, since you two are doing this, I'll be the judge of how many coffee beans are on there.
Just put some in.
They put like tons on.
Yeah, just don't put tons on.
You're only supposed to have like a spoonful.
Put more than that. More than that.
Come on, you fucking.
Put it.
The stuff tastes like shit, by the way.
Yeah, no. Okay.
I've done it with one.
Okay, put some more on that one. That one hasn't gone off. That one's mine. I want loads. Okay, they have about the same, don't they?
Go on, Max.
That's your one, mine.
Oh, what the fuck.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
Oh! Oh!
your shit's good. What's not to love? Coffee? Good. Biscuit? Good.
Touch your tongue.
It's really strong.
I take it's not good.
Oh. Oh.
No, we haven't done this
I
yet.
swallowed it.
I'll do tomato puree stuff.
I think that's your challenge, then.
What, just me?
Mm-hmm.
How old is it?
It'll be new. I think.
I mean, it is quite new.
Yeah.
It's got to be. It should just.
It goes out in April 4th.
Yeah, April 2014.
Right. Like toothpaste.
That stuff's nice though. That's really nice sort of stuff.
Okay, like toothpaste.
What happens if I really don't like tomatoes?
See if you're allowed to eat it first. If it's edible.
It is edible. It goes on bread and
Have a
shiz.
spoon.
You can got to put it in your hand.
I won't feel right if I don't have a spoon.
Fucking hell. I think I have a spoon.
I'll go with it. Oh yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
I want some. I want a bit. I'll put it on my finger.
Oh, that smells like...
Give me a
Okay,
bit.
no, okay. Max, times it has to be spoonful.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay.
It's like a red turd.
Okay, wait. Ryan's gonna go first.
Yeah,
You gotta
ready?
eat it no matter what, Max.
Ready?
Stuff on it.
No. Okay, go Ryan.
It's nice.
Max, Oh, he's ran away.
I think that's gonna make me ill.
Max there, licking his fingers clean.
It's lush.
Max is trying to...
That is lush. I need my fingers off now.
I think that's about it.
I think you're supposed to cook that stuff. Shit.